Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will update how the situation at the moment in Kartika Plaza Kuta Bali. So if you want to know how the situation right there at the moment in Kartika Kuta Bali, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? Yeah, I hope you are fine. Okay guys, today we will update how the situation at the moment on Kartika Plaza Street. And our journey today start from Bakung Sari Street. Yeah, you see left side? There is one restaurant and some tourists right there inside. That's good. And now in this area, there is still a lot of shop closed, but more shops are open day per day. Because few weeks ago in this area, I gonna say like more shops are closed. And I already updated this area few weeks ago, so you can compare how the difference the situation today and few weeks ago. You can find that video down this video. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment on Champlung Tandu Street. Yeah, there was some tourists right there, walk around on the sidewalk, and some shops are open. Also left side there is Ramayana Hotel, also looks so busy, a lot of car down there. That's good. Okay, now we are the central shopping area in Kuta. If I turn right, there is the way to go to Jalan Pantai Kuta, but I will turn left because I will update how the situation at the moment on Kartika Plaza Street. Some restaurant more open in Kartika Plaza Street. You see left side, there is stadium also are open, and also some nice fish restaurant like seafood, they are also open. You can see right side. So left side, they are open now because few weeks ago the restaurant is still closed. That's Legian, isn't it? You see right side? That also some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. Step by step, even in Kartika Plaza is getting better. Yeah, looks so busy, isn't it? In the right side, there was some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. Okay guys, on this video I make video around 10 minutes without skip on Champlung Tandu Street, Kartika Plaza Street, and Wana Segara Street, because I want to show you how the real situation at the moment in Kartika Plaza area. I'm really happy because more restaurants are open in this area. Also the Baba Gum left side, they are also open now. That's really good because my viewer asking me how the Baba Gum now. Yeah, they are open now. And also some tourists right there. That's good. Okay, now we continue driving on Kartika Plaza Street. Bali Garden Hotel. The garden so beautiful. Left side, there is Water Boom Park. Let's see together how busy Water Boom Park today. We can see from the parking area. If there is a lot of car parking, it means like lots of people come down there. Oh yeah, you see left side, there's quite busy there. Also like bus staying there. I mean like lots of visitors going to Water Boom Park today. That's good. Also right side, there is Discovery Mall. They are open. Yeah, but still not so busy. But it is better than few weeks ago. More tourists down there too. That's good. But if you see on the road, it's quite more busier than few weeks ago also. There is more car and motorbike drive around in this area. Yo, you see right side? There is Kartika Plaza Hotel parking area and lot of car parking there. It looks so busy down there. That's good. Lots of car parking, isn't it? Yeah, this is Kartika Plaza Hotel. And left side is Bali Rani Hotel. This is tourist driving motorbike Oh, also right side in the ice cream shop. There is some tourists staying down there. I mean like, they're standing up and buy some ice cream down there. That's good. Yeah, right side, Sun Island. Also some car parking at the front of the hotel. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video because there is a lot of people want to know about the update situation at the moment in Kuta area and Kartika Plaza Street. And don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali, so you will not miss any new video from Bali travel vlog. We can see together left side and right side. There is more shops are open in this area too. That's really good. Step by step, but for sure, even slow, Bali is getting busier and busier. Big hotel right side. Yeah, in the right side there is a lot of big hotel and connecting by Kuta beach. And in the left side there is a lot of hotel and souvenir shop also. Actually, I'm gonna say like Kartika Plaza Street is very nice place to stay because just nearby Kuta beach and central of Kuta, also just nearby the airport. Just around 10-minute driving from this area to the airport. It's not so far. You see right side, there is some car parking at the front of the hotel also. That's really good. I hope you are ever been stay in this area. So this video will bring your memory back to this area. And also I hope this video will give you earn information about the update station in Bali. You see right side, Kuta Lipo Mall. Yeah, actually some people there. Bit busier than before also. That's good. Okay, now we continue driving on Kartika Plaza. Aryaduta Hotel, right side. Look, some car parking there also. That's good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kartika Plaza Kuta Bali. So what do you think? Yeah, there's more shops are open, more restaurants are open, and also some tourists walk around on this area. Okay guys, if I turn left, there is the way to go to Sanur and Nusa, also to the airport. But I will turn right because I will update how the situation at the moment in Wana Segara area. Yeah, now we are in Wana Segara Street. On Wana Segara Street there is a lot of hotels, and some hotels they are big, and also some souvenir shop. To stay in this area also very nice because just nearby the German beach. You see right side? Yeah, there is also some tourists walk around on the sidewalk. That's good. Because before in this area still look very quiet, but now they step by step getting up. More tourists come to this area, and also more shops are open in this area too. Yeah, Risata Hotel right side. Also some car parking at the front of the hotel. You see left side? Yeah, there were some tourists also walk around on the sidewalk. That's really good. Rama Resort right side. Holiday Inn left side. Also big hotel. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Wana Segara Street. More tourists walk around on the sidewalk and more shops are open. That is good. Okay guys, so this is the situation at the moment in Kartika Plaza area Kuta Bali. So if you just find the channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment. Also you can share this video, and don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new station in Bali. Thank you very much for watching my video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.